Google bringing back Gmail's old Compose button on the web. Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Reddit. Earlier this year, the unified Gmail web client replaced the material theme Compose button. Google is now reverting that decision following user feedback. At the moment, the red button for writing the new email appears to the right of the Mail drop-down menu. This smaller, icon-only approach was introduced in April for all users of chat in Gmail on the web. It was easily missed, especially if you have the label/folder drawer expanded. As such, we've heard from you that the original, larger version of the button is more intuitive and will be going back to that option starting November 3, 2021. In addition to being wider, the extended fat will be elevated and appear above Mail. However, in the image shared today, Gmail is not bringing back the 4-color plus button that was synonymous with the Google material theme design era. It's already gone from mobile Gmail, Drive, and Docs/Sheets/Slides, but it remains used by Keep. Instead, the outline-style pencil icon will be used. Gmail Compose button. This tweak to Gmail's Compose button is already rolling out for some users and applies to both personal Google accounts and workspace customers. The change comes as web Gmail is set to get a broader navigation overhaul in the near future. That update sees Compose always visible in the top left corner above Mail, Chat, Spaces, and Meet. That leftmost strip remains static, while labels/folders and the Spaces list in the view appears to the right of it. It's unclear if Google is planning to use Material Design 3/Material use more rectangular buttons,